Revolutionize your mindset skills with these expert techniques. Welcome to our guide on revolutionizing your mindset skills with expert techniques. Are you ready to transform your thinking patterns and unlock your true potential? Let's dive in. 1. A person practicing positive affirmations. Technique number 1. Harness the power of positive affirmations. Repeat uplifting statements to yourself daily, affirming your strengths, goals, and potential. Rewire your mind for positivity and success. 2. A person practicing visualization. Technique number 2. Embrace the power of visualization. Envision yourself achieving your goals, experiencing success, and living your desired life. Visualize with vivid detail and believe in the possibilities. 3. A person practicing gratitude. Technique number 3. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in your life, big and small. Gratitude opens the door to abundance and attracts positivity. 4. A person challenging negative thoughts. Technique number 4. Challenge negative thoughts. Replace self-limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Recognize negative patterns and reframe them into positive and empowering perspectives. 5. A person practicing mindfulness. Technique number 5. Cultivate mindfulness. Be present in the moment, observe your thoughts without judgment, and redirect your focus to the present. Mindfulness enhances clarity and promotes a positive mindset. 6. A person seeking personal growth resources. Technique number 6. Continuously seek personal growth resources. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops or seminars, and engage with experts who can expand your knowledge and perspective. 7. A person surrounding themselves with positive influences. Technique number 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals fuels your growth and reinforces a positive mindset. 8. A person practicing self-care. Technique number 8. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Nourish yourself with activities that recharge and rejuvenate you. 9. A person setting and achieving small goals. Technique number 9. Set and achieve small goals. Break down larger goals into manageable steps, celebrating each milestone along the way. Small victories build confidence and motivation. 10. A person embracing a growth mindset. And finally, technique number 10. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your capacity to learn and grow. Embrace challenges, view failures as learning opportunities, and persist in the face of obstacles. 11. A person practicing self-reflection. Technique number 11. Practice self-reflection. Take time to examine your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Reflect on your experiences, learn from them, and use them as catalysts for growth. 12. A person embracing change. Technique number 12. Embrace change. Understand that change is inevitable and that it brings opportunities for growth. Embracing change allows you to adapt, evolve, and discover new possibilities. 13. A person seeking inspiration from role models. Technique number 13. Seek inspiration from role models. Identify individuals who have achieved what you aspire to. Study their journeys, learn from their experiences, and let their success fuel your motivation. 14. A person practicing self-compassion. Technique number 14. Cultivate self-compassion. Be kind and understanding toward yourself, especially during challenging times. Treat yourself with the same kindness and empathy you would offer to a friend. 15. A person practicing positive self-talk. Technique number 15. Harness the power of positive self-talk. Replace self-criticism with self-encouragement and uplifting words. Speak to yourself with kindness and belief in your abilities. 16. A person cultivating a growth mindset in others. Technique number 16. Foster a growth mindset in others. Encourage and support those around you in their personal development journeys. Share knowledge, offer guidance, and celebrate their progress. 17. A person practicing resilience. Technique number 17. Develop resilience. Build the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to challenges, and persevere in the face of adversity. Resilience strengthens your mindset and fuels growth. 18. A person practicing self-discipline. Technique number 18. Cultivate self-discipline. Develop the ability to stay focused, set priorities, and follow through on your commitments. Self-discipline empowers you to stay on track towards your goals. 19. A person finding joy in the process. Technique number 19. Find joy in the process. Embrace the journey of personal growth and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Enjoy the small victories and relish in the learning experience. 20. A person practicing self-awareness. And finally, technique number 20. Practice self-awareness. Develop a deep understanding of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Self-awareness allows you to make conscious choices and align your actions with your values. Congratulations! You now have an even broader arsenal of techniques to revolutionize your mindset skills. Embrace these practices, commit to your growth, and witness the incredible transformation that awaits you. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindset techniques and inspiration. Get ready to unleash your limitless potential and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Congratulations! You now have a toolkit of expert techniques to revolutionize your mindset skills. Embrace these practices, make them a part of your daily life, and witness the profound impact they have on your personal growth. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.